Marcel, where are we going today?
We are going to the Four Leaf Clover.
Four Leaf Clover?
Yes, that's it.
Wow, look at the Four Leaf Clover.
Yes, and this is the shape of this exhibition and convention center.
It's really beautiful.
Very grand. That's it. The 6th China International Import Expo CIIE is being held here. A total of 69 countries and 3 international organizations have confirmed their participation here, covering 5 continents, 3,400 exhibitors, and 394,000 professional visitors have registered to attend.
This machine is very intelligent and smart. If you need a navigation and you don't know where to go, how to go, you can just scan the code from this machine and set the location. After that, just follow the navigation or follow the machine, you can reach the location.
Yes, and we see it's very smart. It is
Yes.
has radar and
One
can
obstacle,
educate people.
one obstacle from its front side, it has sensor.
What are you interested in and arouse your curiosities about the future world?
I hear this time is artificial intelligence area pavilion.
Oh,
So I'm very curious. I want to know. I want to see.
okay. And last year, I know that there was robot which can play football, and I heard that this year there are robots which can read people's emotions.
Wow, it's really impressive.
Yes, is that really amazing?
Yes, it's amazing. Let's
Okay,
go
let's
and
go.
see. Look friends, this is very funny things. This mobile phone in front of me, and in the screen you can see I'm doing actions and they are reading my emotions. Wow, amazing artificial intelligence. Let's do some action and find that they are also doing something or not. Oh, this is also doing. Wow. Robot can do. Robot can do yoga also.
然后它还可以上下楼。它前面是一个激光雷达，然后再扫这个图形。
It can record video,
yes.
click photos, record video.
这是拜个年，恭喜发财。比如说这样，应该是有一些展示性的东西。稍等一下，我再往前面一点。
很好，很好，很好。
然后这边也有语音模块，我们可以把它叫过来。你好，笨笨。
我在。
趴下。
好的，主人。
站起来。
好的，主人。
跳个舞啊。
难道我开始表演了？
上后跳。Oh yeah. Oh, this is wow. This is a gaming car. Wow, it's amazing. I like it.
A few new products will make their debut at this CIIE as well. So what are you interested in?
I prefer car and new energy products.
Okay, then I've heard that there will be the hydrogen power truck and driverless vehicles.
Wow, let's go.
Yes,
See.
let's have a look. Oh, you can see this.
this is a driverless car.
Yes, it is from a Japanese company, and it's their future model. It has been in the market yet. I think it's some kind of black technology.
Yeah.
And it's really very eye-catching.
这是我们的概念车 our concept car.
Concept car.
Concept car,
So
okay.
we don't sell a car, but this concept car is using a lot of our materials, like fibers, plastic, and micro devices as well.
And they designed everything is very uniquely. Oh, you can see the seats and the front desk and the you can say
And the
controller.
space is very big.
Controller and space is very big. And here you can see the mobile charger also. The roof is very solid.
Yeah. This is not glass, but polycarbonate kind of plastic.
It's polycarbonate.
So it's quite light.
As you can see here, this is called a Q-tractor. This is a fully autonomous driving tractor used in the airport. This can take the luggage like 40 tons.
Hydro-powered Toyota car. Charge for 3 minutes and more than 700 kilometers it can go. It's really quite impressive or like surprising thing from Toyota. So this machine you use for the cleaning, huh?
Yeah, for cleaning, like you can clean a shopping mall or hospital.
Cleaning shopping mall, hospitals.
The shape is like this.
Let me introduce this machine. This is a pressure pump for cleaning. You can operate it with your mobile phone. You can control, you can change the mode with mobile phone. And here you can change all the 3 modes. You can clean your car, you can clean lot of things and you can use. And this operating with mobile phone is very interesting, and you can feel like touch of the smart gadget.
How do you feel about this year's CIIE? What impresses you most?
Oh, AI technology, driverless cars, smart agriculture, and the one most important thing that impressed me is 69 countries are participating in CIIE under one roof. That is quite impressive, and it is a significant move from the Chinese government to enterprises. Welcome more enterprises to next CIIE.
Akriti, do you know what today's expo is about?
Yes, it is about China International Supply Chain Expo.
That's exactly correct.
Yes.
This year marks the first edition of China's International Supply Chain Expo, making it the world's inaugural national level exhibition over the theme of supply chain.
Yes, and it comes with the theme of connecting the world for the better future, and which compromises into a main theme of supply chain and 5 sub-themes of intelligent automobile, green agriculture, clean energy, digital technology, and healthy living.
Yeah, I can't wait to see what's inside.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The game was really good. I felt like I was playing live and entire of big screen, not in the VR. The experience was excellent. It wipes the brush. No. So now I'm in the hall of the clean energy, and here I can see a lot of companies who have participated in the forum of the clean energy. So here I can see the Sinopec who have their plan of the clean energy, as we can see here.
And this is a traditional Chinese folk song.
Very nice, very beautiful, and I'm first time in China, in Beijing. Very, very beautiful. It's country and city. Very, very nice.
I think China experience for us became very valuable, and we will continue to invest in China. We will continue to grow in China and be a dominant global player with different brands. I'm going to be introducing also different brands to China, hopefully coming soon. And we feel far fortunate that the Chinese consumers are very dynamic.
I think it's a great initiative. I also think that it's a great way to connect people from different countries. It's a way of opening doors. It's a way of just engaging with people from different countries. And so far, I'm actually enjoying myself. I'm getting to learn about the different cultures, also learning different products that are out there in the market, seeing how we can exchange products, seeing how we can continue to enlarge in the supply chain. So I'm quite happy.
I think if we look up to the currently market, the technology is getting better and better.
Yeah.
And the technology is not developing like 20 years ago. So it's not really developing that fast. But what is developing, what should be developing now is the cost management. And the cost management is one part of the supply chain. It's also with the quality management. So it will be the topic for the next decades.
This is a gift for you.
Oh, thank you so much. What does this exactly mean for this expo, and what does it symbolize?
So this is a little mascot actually called Linky, and it symbolized a symbolic imagery over the supply chain. So you see it consists of 3 shapes. So the circle is representing a more connected world, and the square is representing the speciality over individuals. The triangle thing on the bottom of this mascot is representing the stability and the security over the supply chain.
I see.
So, Akriti, what's your feelings about participating this year's Expo?
The feeling is really very wonderful, and I'm just glad that China has at least started the supply chain expo, and this is the very first time China is inaugurating this. And this expo emphasizes on the international collaboration and emphasizes all other countries to come bring in one platform and make sure that they work in a single platform.
Exactly. Amidst all the challenges of the world caused by the turbulence and uncertainty, I think it is really important for everybody to collaborate, sharing information, and do the technological interactions. I think together we can create a more shared future. So we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.